Hello, you are most welcome to another training video. Today, I'll be showing you how you can set up or install your own banking website. If you're an individual who wants to set up your own banking system, online banking or e-banking system for yourself or your business or even your client, then this video is yours, because I'll be walking you through almost everything you need to know about setting up your own banking system. I'm first of all going to show you the homepage of this website. Hey, if you don't know how to code, don't worry, everything here is customizable. We're going to be using a simple CMS, that's content management system. We have a back end where you can manage everything. Let me just show you quickly how that looks like. So this is a back end of your site. You can manage everything with this left panel here. So there's no need knowing any programming language to get started. Now let me take you back to your homepage, and this is your homepage. We can change this text to anything we want. Alright, so let me show you your homepage. First, we have this hero area with this text, a button you can click to create an account or register an account on your site. We have some menus on top and your logo. I'll be showing you where you can replace this logo to your banking logo or your business logo. We have language switcher here. You can click to pick your language, right? Your users will click to choose their languages. Buttons to sign in and register an account. Scrolling down, we have these features. Users can make online payment, they can take loans, deposit schemes, and transfer money. Your site comes with a transfer feature. That means users can transfer funds from one account to another or from one user to another in your platform, just like they would do on any other money transfer platform. Also note that your site comes with a loan management system feature where users can take loan, and I'll be showing you where you can find all those features, but for now I'm showing you the things you need to know about what this software offers. We also have about us area where you can showcase your mission, vision, and then your goal. You can embed video here talking about your business. Continue scrolling and we have your services. You can showcase your services here. Scrolling, why choose us? These are text holders or placeholders where you can put your text. So you can edit this to your liking. Continue scrolling and how it works. Users will first of all come to your site, create an account, verify their account, they can make deposits, and then they can later do any monetary transaction on your site. And we have deposit schemes here, right? So when they deposit this amount, they'll get a set percentage of profit over a certain period of time, right? So that's deposit schemes. We also have pension scheme here. We have loans scheme here. So this website is powerful. You can edit everything here you see. Frequently asked questions, your partners, a field for them to enter or subscribe to your newsletter, your about us, quick links, and your logo and copyright text. That's enough. Now let's see how users dashboard will look like after they register an account, how their dashboard is going to look like. So users will create an account by clicking on sign up. So when they click on sign up, it will take them to a registration page where you can register an account. Because I've already signed in, it's taking me to my dashboard. All right, your users will get the account numbers, right, just like any other banking institution, you have your own account number which is unique to you. Your available balance, your today transactions, pending withdrawals, pending deposits, add FDRs and DPS, your random loans. Your site also comes with a referral system where your users can refer other members to your platform and earn what we call bonuses or commissions. And that's cool. You can click on top here to deposit money. So click on deposit, but this account is not yet verified. Now they click on deposit now. They'll pick a payment gateway, and your site comes with a ton of payment systems that you can integrate, helping users to make payment. So after they pick their payment provider, let's say PayPal, they'll enter an amount to deposit. So I'll click maybe $500. Scroll down, and you, the website owner, is going to be charging some percentage for this deposit. So in total they will pay 506. They'll click on submit, and it's going to take them to this payment gateway where they can make the payment or they can complete transaction. Now this website doesn't have live PayPal APIs, so you should not expect live payment to go through. All right, so you see something went wrong. It's because live payment or live PayPal API keys are not in place. That's why you're seeing the error. So I'll click here to go back, and we have withdraw. They can withdraw their funds, and then you click on withdraw money. And right now, the site wants us to verify our KYC. That's know your clients or know your customers. So we have to upload some documents before we can make any withdrawal on your platform. And that's what your users will be going through. Now, if you don't need certain features, we can disable those features on our site. You are in control as the site admin, okay? Another amazing feature about this website is the ability to transfer money from one bank account to another or within the same bank. Let me show you how users will be doing that. So we have transfer here. We click on transfer, and we are taken to this page. Now if you are transferring, the users transfer money from one bank account to another bank account within the same bank, they pick this option. All right, so your bank name will be here. This our bank name. Now users will add beneficiary, so they click on add beneficiary, scroll down, and there are options here to enter bank number, account name, and then short name. Now this short name will be account holder's name. All right, so from there they click on what? Submit. Now let me do that. So we have, let's put something like this, account name, no such account found. All right, so right now, because it's within one bank, this website is smart enough to know that this account is not found in their system. All right, so the idea is simple. The concept is very, very straightforward. They entered their bank account details here, click on submit, and that beneficiary will be added. From there, users can then transfer money to that beneficiary. The same thing applies to other banks. They simply click on other banks. We are taken to a page like this. Again, they click on add beneficiary, scroll down, and there are options here to work with. So first we have select bank. They'll click on it, and these are other banks that they can select. So let's select a random bank here. Now we enter some short name there, scroll down. So this short name can be like a nickname. Now we have account name. So this is the accounts holder's name. I'm called using a Solomon Dunbone. So this is where they enter that accounts holder name there. So like this. Like this, and an account number. After that, you click on what? Submit, and this beneficiary will be added. Now anytime this user wants to send money to this beneficiary, it's going to be very simple. Okay, so that's how that is done, transferring money to other bank accounts. So before I show you how to install this system, it's most important you understand how your dashboard looks like. So I'll take you to your dashboard. Here's your admins area. I'll be explaining to you how you can get access to this area, but this is where you control or manage your website. Now this is the thing that is making your site so powerful. First, we have this panel here, and we have dashboard, manage staff, manage users, manage branches, manage airtime. Let me add, you can use your site to, users can top up their airtime using your platform. Okay, we have other banks, wire transfer, deposits, withdrawal, money transfer, and a lot. So let's talk about dashboard. And the dashboard is where we are right now. This shows your numbers. That's your dashboard, your statistics. Okay, so we have total users here, total active users, total email unverified users, mobile unverified users, pending deposits, and a lot. You can pause this video and go through this list. All right, so this is your dashboard, and this area shows your numbers. Now we have staff area. You can assign certain rules to other staff members. So let's go to all staff, and this is where you create account for other users to manage certain parts of your business. So we have add now, and you can enter the name of this role, the username, and you enter that person's email. You pick a rule. All right, you can create rules. So you pick a rule. Right now we have one rule, which is staff. You can also create other rules for something like customer support rule and whatever. All right, we also have password. You can click here to generate a password for this user, and then you send everything to the user, and this user will be able to log in to their accounts and manage certain parts of your business. Now close that, and we go to manage or rules. Okay, so let's just click on rules, and this is where you create rules. Right now the site has one rule as staff. You can create other rules by click on add new. From there you enter a rule name, so something like support, scroll. You can choose permissions, and all these things are permissions, and we have support ticket here. So make sure you pick everything, because you want this user to be able to do all these things. And that's all. We don't want this user to be able to change language, go to general settings. We just want that user to have support rules. Once that is done, you simply scroll down and click on submit, and then from there you now go to all staff, click on add new, and then you assign that rule to your users. We also have manage users. This way you manage your regular users on your site. We have active users. When you click on that, you see all your active users on your website. You can equally ban users, but now let me pick one user and show you. So click on details. From there you can view their account balance, deposited balance, withdrawal, total transferred beneficiaries, total number of beneficiaries, loan, DPS, FDRs. You can add balance to their, or you can add funds to their balance. Click here and add funds, and that's just like manual deposits. Okay, you can subtract their balance, you can see their login sections, you can see their notifications, you can log in as this user, and you can what, ban this user for some reasons. Scroll, and these are, or here are more information about this user. You can verify their emails or verify their KYC. Now here we have their bank account details. Okay, so go through the list. Now we have notification to all. You can send email to all users. Click here and we have selected users or KYC on verified users. You can send emails to certain group of users, something like users with balance in their account, users with empty balance, users who have disabled two-factor authentication, and then you enter your subject message and then you send this message to these users. Plans, you can see your plans here, loan plans, DPS and FDR, that's fixed deposits and deposit pension scheme. Now we have managed branches. As a banking institution, you can have branches across your country, all right, or across the globe, across the world, whatever you want to do. But this is a feature for you, branches. So you can see all your banks here, and you can manage all of them in one place. So you have that here. Okay, airtime, country operators, other banks, specify other banks here, banks you want to work with, okay, or banks that your business collaborates with. So we have wire transfer here. You can click on settings to set up your wire transfer settings. So we have transfer limits, transfer charges. Now this is where you'll be entering your charges. Okay, so we want to charge 2% for every transfer and a fixed charge. Now if you don't want to have fixed charges, then you just enter 000 there. Okay, and we have daily limits, maximum amount, maximum count, maximum monthly limit. Here scroll down and you can enter some instruction here and click on submit. Money transfer, this is where you see all your transfers, pending transfer, rejected transfer, own bank transfer. Now here are transfers. Now you can view this transfer. Now this is the sender's name is here, and the receiver account number is here, the Swift code and whatever is here. So this is a transfer. Scroll down and we have payment gateways. Click on payment gateways, automated payment gateways, manual payment gateways. You can set all those things here. Let's go to automated payment gateways, and these are gateways that you can work with, something like PayPal, Paystack, Flutterwave, they're all here. Stripe. Now you can set up your own manual payment gateways. Support tickets can be found here. Reports can be found here. Subscribers, those users who subscribe to your newsletter on your homepage, can be found here. And I can go to general settings and then set up your website. We have general configurations here. Okay, so let's install the sites, the software, and after that I will show you the remaining settings. All right, so what are the things we need to get started with our banking website? Now, here are a list of things we will be needing in order to configure or set up our own banking website with attaching a single line of code. We are first of all going to register a hosting account, and this gets like a place for your website to live. Okay, hosting is nothing but your server, online storage for your website to live, because your website is going to be made of files, database, and whatever. So this is where all those things will be hosted. The next piece to it is going to be your domain name, which is going to be something like yourbanking.com, and this is the address people will be typing to get access to your site. And the final piece to it is a pre-programmed banking script that we're going to get to configure or to set up our banking website. So with that out of the way, let me show you where we're going to be getting our hosting. I'll be using Makigu host for this purpose. I have a link in the description to this hosting provider, and this is where all my websites and clients' websites are all hosted. Next, we'll be needing our banking script, and in the description of this video you see a link that says get software or get script here. When you click on that link, it's going to take you to a page just like this. Now, I know some of you will be worried about this price. Okay, don't worry, because if you were to hire a web design agency to build you a banking website just like what I showed you, I think you'll be paying them like $10,000 to get an advanced banking software just like what I showed you. Okay, so if you're serious with your business, click on that link, purchase the script, and it should look something like this. Should look something like this. All right, so we'll be extracting this. All right, so go ahead and purchase it. All we need to do is to just click on add to cart, purchase it, and there's a place we can download our script. So make sure you download your script. Right, so after downloading the script, we're going to extract our script, or yeah, so right click on it and click on extract here and wait for it to complete. Right, we are done extracting our script, so just double click on it, and inside it you're going to have this file called Visa Bank, and we'll have, when you open it, you see 3 folders: documentation, files, and updates. Now this is the file we'll be working with, files. All right, that's the folder we're working with. So after navigating to that directory, just right click and click on compress and click on create. Now we'll be uploading this script to cPanel. Before you can upload a software to cPanel, it should be in a zip format if you're not using any file transfer protocol like FileZilla. So we're done compressing it. Next, let's talk about our hosting and our domain name. So I'll take you back, and so after landing on this page, which is your hosting provider, click on get started, click on view plans, get started now, scroll, and we're going to purchase the Go Basic plan because we want to only host one website with 20 gig storage, which is enough for your case. So scroll and click on order now. Okay, now you'll be asked to enter your domain name. Enter your domain name. Test solomonbank.com and click on check, and you should see this congratulations message. The site is going to check for domains availability. If the domain name is available, you can proceed with the registration. From this page, you click on continue, make payment, and boom, you have your hosting account set up. Once an account is created and payment is made, you should see something like this: one service with one domain name, right? And that means your hosting account is ready to be used. So now give your hosting provider up to 24 hours or 12 hours for your domain name to appear just like this. So when you type your domain name in your browser, you should see something like this: index off. That means you can now upload your website or your script via cPanel. Now your hosting provider is going to send you cPanel details. MakeUHost will send you cPanel details. Make sure you follow those, you use those links and credentials to log into your cPanel. But another way to log in is to enter your site domain name and simply add /cPanel, hit enter, and it should be redirected to your cPanel login page, just like this. Now enter your username. MakeUHost will send you these details. So just enter your username and then your password and click on login. We are taken to cPanel. This is cPanel, and this is where we'll be uploading our website files. Please, here inside the search box, type File Manager. Click on File Manager. This File Manager. Go to public_HTML. Inside here, click on Settings and make sure you enable Show Hidden Files and click on Save. Now make sure you delete any .htaccess file you see here. Okay, so when you see something like this, make sure you delete it. Now go to your desktop. Open the extracted folder, navigate inside, and we'll be uploading this zipped file via cPanel. So go back to your browser, click on Upload, select File, navigate to Desktop. All right, so I'm using Linux, that's why you're seeing this interface. Just go to Desktop wherever you have your. So I'll navigate inside here, and this is the file we'll be uploading. So click on Select and wait for this file to get uploaded. I'll resume the video once the process is complete. All right, so upload is complete. Let's now click on this link and you should see your file like this. Click on it and click on extract file. Close. Delete this because it's no longer needed. Go inside, select all, remove this path and click on Move Files. Up one level, and here we are. Now enter your site URL. All right, but before that, let's go back to our cPanel. So click on cPanel link, type database data and click on Manage My Databases. create a new database. So I'll click here, bank DB. You can give it whatever name you want. All right, click on create database, go back, scroll, and we're going to create user. So click there and type bank user, generate password for this user, copy your generated password, click here and click here, scroll and click on create user. Make sure that password you generated, you paste it somewhere safe because we'll be needing this later. Now go back, click on go back, scroll down to the bottom, make sure user is selected, bank user, and database is selected, bank DB. Click on add, allow privileges, scroll down and click on create, make changes. Now type your site name or URL, hit enter, and it's taking us to an installer just like this. All right, click on I agree, next step, next, scroll down and make sure you enter your database details here. So copy the password that asks you to save it somewhere safe, copy that, come here, make sure you paste your database password here. So click and paste it there. Next, our database host. Here usually we enter localhost, so just click and type localhost. Now your database name, just go back to where you created your database, click, scroll back to the top and copy your database name here, copy, go back to the installer and paste that here, copy your user, copy, paste here, that's database user. Scroll down a bit, enter your username. So I'm going to enter admin as my username, and then the same admin as what password, right? But in your case, you have to enter strong username and password. If not, your website is going to be compromised or hacked. So enter those details there. From there, we're going to enter our email. Now this is going to serve as your administrative email. Okay, so enter strong email. Okay, we don't have strong email, so just enter your email there. Now you can create business email and enter it here. Let me show you quickly how you can create business email. So go back to cPanel here, type email and click on email accounts. Click here, create. Enter your username. So this is going to be like support@yourwebsitename.com. So I'm going to put admin because I'll be using this for administrative purposes. Generate password, scroll down and click on create. Your email is created, so we just copy that. We'll go to the installer. I'm going to paste that here. Now click on install now. All right, so let me check. Everything looks good, so let's click on install. So this will take some time. Exercise patience here. Good. Scroll down and please delete the install folder. All right, we are going to delete the install folder. Just click on go to website and activate. Now it will take you to a page where you enter your purchase code. All right, now you get that code from Code Canyon. They'll send you some purchase code you enter to activate your site. Now let's delete that installed folder they asked us to delete, which is here. Delete and delete. Excellent. Now let's access our admin area. /admin. Now let's enter our username and passwords, which are admin. So just put admin and password is admin. All right, so just put admin. Click on login and we are in our dashboard. Now if you want to learn how to configure everything here, I have a full video which is like 2 hours. I can't remember the length of that video, but it's linked in the description of this exact video. Go down there, click on that, and then see how I customize that website. All right, so thank you very much for watching this brief video. Hoping to see you there in my in-depth training. All right, so just go there, watch that complete video, and it will show you step by step how to configure this website. Thank you. Hoping to see you in my next video.